Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram followers glitch. To know how to fix Instagram followers glitch, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click here, and when you will see this list, you will go to apps like this. After that, in this page, you can go to click here in application of Instagram. Then in this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will enter to you can click sorry clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.